Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 34. Our learning goal for today said, I can make models to show how I subtract. Now, a model is just something that kind of shows our thinking, right? Now, the best part about math is that you can solve problems in a ton of different ways. And the same thing goes with models. You can use different types of models to show how to subtract. All right, so what I would like you to do is I want you to grab a dry erase board and a marker, press pause while you do that, and press play when you're all set. If you don't have a dry erase board and a marker, you can of course use a notebook, piece of paper, and a pencil. Okay, you're all set, friends? Excellent, here we go. All right, so the first model I'm gonna use are counting cubes. All right, I have 10 counting cubes right there. Don't believe me? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to model taking 3 away or subtracting 3. If I have cubes, how is one way I could model that, friends? Yeah, snap them apart, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to take off 3 and I'm just going to move them over here. Now that model shows that there was 10, but I've removed a part. I removed 3, and now there are 7 left. So on your dry erase board, let's go ahead and fill in a number bond to show that. So let's draw a quick number bond. All right, so what's our whole amount? What's our total number? Yeah, our whole is 10. We started with 10. Let's put that in there. All right, what's a part that we could add into our number bond? Go ahead and write one of the parts down. Yeah, I'm going to write down the part that I took away, the 3. Then what part is remaining, friends? Go ahead and write that down. Yes, 7. I had 10, I removed 3, and I have 7 left. 3 and 7 are my parts. Friends, can I put 7 over here and 3 over here? Yeah, it doesn't matter. They're both parts of 10. All right, so my model, my counting cubes that I used, can be shown in that number bond. We can show it another way too, right? Yeah, with a subtraction sentence. Go ahead and write a subtraction sentence to show me taking away 3 from 10. Press pause while you do it. Press play when you're ready. Okay, what does your subtraction sentence look like, friends? Oh, very nice. Does it match mine? I had 10 minus 3 equals 7. Remember, my model should match what I'm trying to talk about. And I'm trying to say I had 10 and I took away 3. So that's why I chose to do 10 minus 3 equals 7. All right. Remember, today we're focusing on the models that we can use. All right, we can use another kind of model. We can use counting cubes again, but this time we're not going to snap them apart. Because say I only had a picture of counting cubes. I can't snap a picture apart, can I? How can I show that I'm breaking apart that 10? Yes, I could draw a line. Oh, you're brilliant. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line and break apart. So if I have 10, how many did I take away? Let's count everything after the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this model shows I had 10 and I broke apart to remove 6. Friends, erase your board. What would your new number bond look like? Can you go ahead and pause and fill in a number bond to show 10 counting cubes and then removing 6 and then what's left over? What's the other part? I know it's a lot. You can do it. Press pause. Okay, let's see. Now, if you didn't get it, it's okay. Just follow along with me. So I started with 10. And then how many did I remove with that karate chop line? Yeah, when I drew it. Yeah, 6. So that would be one of my parts. And then how many were left over? If you don't know, friends, just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 would be the other part. Good job. All right, remember we're modeling our good thinking and it has to do subtraction. So let's go ahead and write a subtraction sentence. Go ahead, friends, press pause and write a subtraction sentence that matches this model. All right, what'd you come up with? Oh, you did. Okay. Yeah. 10 is what we started with, and I removed 6, so I had 4 left over. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Is that what you did? Ah, friends, on the count of 3, give me a high five. 1, 2, 3. Ah, so proud of you. All right, erase your board. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and have you put your pencil down for just a second, okay? or your marker down for a second. Now, we can also model using objects. So here are some objects that I have, and I'm going to show how I can model with other kinds of objects. I'm going to go ahead and just cross them out. So I'm going to cross out what I'm removing. All right, so I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And of those 9, how many did I cross out to show that I took them away? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever the other part would be are the ones that don't have the X's. That's what my model is showing. So my number bond would say 9. That's what I started with. I crossed out 4. Therefore, I have 5 left. Friends, you don't have to write it down, but what would a number sentence be that would match this? 9 minus what equals what? Yes, 9 minus 4, which is what I crossed out, equals 5, the other part. Awesome. Okay, now the thing is, we don't always have good drawings of objects, or sometimes we have to draw the objects ourselves. And I'm not going to have you spend all day long drawing Laffy Taffies. What's a quick math drawing that we can do, friends? Do you remember? Yes, circles. Right now on your dry erase board, I want you to go ahead and draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles to stand for our Laffy Taffy candies. Press pause. They don't have to be perfect circles, but you want to make sure that they're nice and neat. Okay, did you draw your 9 circles? Excellent. I want you to show how to take away some of those circles. What could we do, just like with the Laffy Taffy pictures? Yes, we could do X's. I'm going to have you go ahead and take away 3 of the X's. Go ahead, draw, or 3 of the circles. Go ahead and draw your X's. Okay. So if I was just working and I had to show that, I would draw quick circles and then X out the ones I'm taking away. So friends, that would be my model. Now, what would my number bond look like to match that model? Go ahead and press pause and see if you can fill in that number bond to match the model that you just drew. Okay, so we started with 9, and how many did you cross out? Yeah, 3, so that would be our other part. And then what was the remaining amount? 6. Excellent job. You're so good. All right, what's the number sentence that you could write that would match this model? Go ahead and press pause and write it if you haven't already. Press play when you're ready. All right, so we had 9, and how many did we take away? According to our model, we took 1, 2, 3 away. And then that means we had how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's what our model shows. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Excellent job. Okay, so we're going to try one together. You don't have to do any work, though. You can put your stuff down. All right, so 9 turtles went to the pond. 2 went swimming. How many did not go swimming? So we're going to think of different ways we can model this. So what if I had counting cubes, just like this? How would you model using the counting cubes, just like that on your paper? You can't break it apart because it's not actually cubes. It's just a picture. Yes, you would draw a line. And go ahead with your finger, just imaginarily draw that line where you would draw it to show the 2 left to go swimming. Yes, right there. Good job. All right. What if instead of a picture of counting cubes, I actually had 9 turtles? I had look at those cute turtles. How could I show on this picture of turtles that 2 of them went swimming? What could you do? You're going to draw lines. What are you going to do? Yes, you could put 2 X's on 2 of those turtles to show that they left. Friends, there are different ways to model our thinking. And we practice that today. We practiced figuring out how we could model what we were thinking in order to show our subtraction. All right, so as you're working, I want you to think about what's the best way I could model this, and then practice those skills. All right, good luck, friends. You did amazing.